To fix my anterior pelvic tilt, I strengthened the abs and glutes while stretching the lower back and hip flexors. The RKC plank is excellent for strengthening the abs and pulling the pelvis into a posterior tilt. Squeeze your legs together, knees straight, tense the quads, tense the glutes, suck the abs in and try to squeeze your elbows together. Shoulders elevated hip thrust strengthens the glutes and especially their function in pulling the pelvis into a posterior tilt. You really focus on getting into a strong posterior tilt. The yoga block hip opener stretches the hip flexors, which when they're tight, that pulls you into an anterior tilt. Just put the yoga block under your pelvis and lay on it for a minute. And these supine hamstring stretches are great to stretch out the lower back and help get you into more of a neutral spine. So you can just gently pull on the knees like this, or you can put your arms behind your legs and rock back and forward. And if you've got better flexibility, you can go right over and get your feet on the ground.